The pre-release version of VSCode Insiders has introduced end-to-end visual support features, which are currently available in 3 modes: GitHub Copilot Chat, Edit, and Agent. In this example, we first attempt to create a web page similar to the TripAdvisor style in Agent mode. Users can import images in 3 ways: dragging images into VSCode, pasting images from the clipboard, or directly attaching screenshots to the VSCode window. Once the web page is generated, we only need to add our images and fine-tune the details. Next, we try to generate a Terraform script based on an architecture diagram using GitHub Copilot in edit mode. In addition to Agent and Edit modes, we can also use the Image feature in Chat mode, allowing GitHub Copilot to solve problems based on image content. Note that the current functionality only supports the GPT-4o model, with further optimizations expected in the future.